How to log into OneXBet account securely. First of all, open the official OneXBet app. Next, on the home screen of the app, tap on the login icon found at the top left corner. You will be asked to enter your account details. Type in your registered phone number, email address, or username in the first field. Make sure you enter the exact details you used when registering your account. Now, enter your password carefully. Use the eye icon, if available, to view your password and ensure it's typed correctly. This helps avoid login errors caused by typos. Always use a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After entering your details, tap on the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a one-time code through SMS or email. Enter this code to complete your login. This step adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Avoid logging in while connected to public Wi-Fi networks. These are often unsecured and can expose your login information. Stick to private and secure connections whenever possible. Finally, once you are logged in, take a moment to check your account settings and make sure everything looks normal. If you notice anything unusual, such as changes in personal information or unrecognized login attempts, change your password immediately and contact OneXBet support. And that's it. Now you know how to log into OneXBet account securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.